Have you ever seen the monsters who live around here? Have you ever heard of stories about them? Yes, the monsters that give you trouble. Kelly and Johnny don't like trouble. They want to catch the monsters once and for all.
Have you ever seen the monsters?
Nobody has really seen any monsters except you and me. Come, look here. In this corner lives a monster. No, two monsters. This is Monster B. Oh, sorry. Three monsters here. This one is Monster H. Oh, there's one at the back. That's Monster BW. Altogether, 4 monsters. No one knows where they come from. No one knows why they are here. But one thing is for sure, there will be more trouble to come.
A theft! What happened, Libby?
It's been 3 days, Mom. The leftovers are all gone. Look, it's all gone.
How strange. I wonder who could have taken the leftovers.
Not me. Not me.
Could it be the mouse?
Or the cockroaches. Ugh. Or...
Ah, there they are. The monsters, big and small. Can you read their names? The monster, Monster B, Monster H, and Monster BW. That's right. They're all eating. They are eating spaghetti. Is the spaghetti the leftovers? Look, they're eating vegetables. Are the vegetables the leftovers?
Could it be the mouse?
Or the cockroaches. Ugh. Or the monsters. They steal leftovers. They feed, feed, feed. They eat, eat, eat.
They eat more than they need.
Ah, so there they are, eating and eating. Perhaps you haven't really seen any monsters, but you can hear them. Listen. Monster B burps. It has eaten too much. Hey, here comes Monster H. Listen. Monster H hiccups. Monster H is good at that. Wow! All of them burp. All of them hiccup. They sound like a frog croaking. Who makes the loudest burp? Monster B. Oh, it's so gross. Cover your mouth, Monster B. That's better. Then come the hiccups. Who hiccups the most? Monster H. It hiccups. Stop, will you, Monster H? Take a deep breath. Drink some water. It doesn't help. Because they are monsters. All of them burp. All of them hiccup. Just listen carefully. You know they're there. Can you hear them?
What's wrong? The rubbish in the bin is gone. It's been a week.
That's strange.
The bin is usually full in the morning. But it becomes empty in the evening.
I didn't take it out. I didn't either.
Who could have taken the rubbish?
Could it be the mouse?
Or cockroaches? Or...
What's that smell? It smells like rubbish. It's so gross. Look what they're eating. Rubbish! They are eating rubbish. Is that the rubbish Libby was looking for?
Could it be the mouse?
Or the cockroaches? Or the monsters. They steal the rubbish. They feed. They eat.
The monsters eat fast.
They eat more than they need.
So there they are. Ooh, breaking wind. Ouch, what a bad smell. The monsters are breaking wind. Yuck. Can you smell that? Who makes the worst smell? Ooh, Monster BW. It breaks wind. It is good at that. How gross. Ooh. They break wind together. Just hear and smell. You know the monsters are there. That's a very bad smell. That's a very loud noise. Try not to do it in public, please.
Libby!
I'm here!
The monsters!
Have you ever seen the monsters? Not yet? Try listening carefully. They burp. They hiccup. You can hear them. And you can smell them too. Monsters also break wind. They like breaking wind. Oh, that smells really awful. Do you want them out of your home? Tell me. I'll take care of them for you. I'm the Monster Buster. You're Monster Buster.
Who could that be? I really wonder.
Hi.
Hi, Monster Buster. Come in.
Have you seen any monsters?
No, we haven't.
No problem. Let the search begin. Go, go, go.
I'm gonna use this to scan the room, okay? Be quiet.
I see him. There's no one.
Go, go, go. Look, here I am, the Monster Buster. What should I do with all these monsters?
An invisible man sleeping in your bed. Oh, who you gonna call? I ain't afraid of no